Hello everybody and welcome to Third Beard Fishing. I'm Solomon. Today I've got the kayak all loaded up in the back of the truck and we're going to go out kayak fishing on Turkey Creek. The first thing I want to do is I want to finally try to catch some snook while lure fishing on the kayak. I tried it once before and I was a dismal failure on that. For whatever reason, they just wouldn't bite. So we're going to try that, and then afterwards we're going to go see if we can't catch some mangrove snapper and some sheep's head and maybe some drum, black drum, or some redfish over by the bridges and see how that goes. So I'm going to take you guys along on the journey. It's been a while since I've posted anything. I'm sorry. Just haven't fished much. A lot of things have changed in my life, and I just haven't been able to. So I hope you guys will stick around. I'm going to start posting more soon. I really am sorry, but let's get fishing. Before we begin this awesome video, I want to show you guys something. My views are mostly from non-subscribers, about 86%. So if you guys are watching this and you are not subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps out the channel and I greatly appreciate your subscription. Now, back to this awesome video. Fish on a baby snook. My first little snook. I finally caught a fish while on the kayak. I'm talking a baby snook. Oh, come here, you. Check that out, guys. A little baby snook. Cute. There you go, a little baby snook on the kayak. First lure caught fish on the kayak. Let him go. Back in there. Snook on. There we go. Man, I didn't bring my net. Crap. There we go. Sweet. Another snook. Pretty small, not huge, but a snook is a snook. Second snook on the boat for the day, baby. Yeah, buddy. On the DOA. Switch over to a DOA and we get ourselves another snook. Yeah, there we go. Ouch, got me. Slow down, baby. Another nice little snook. Not huge. I didn't bring a good measuring tool. My normal one, but we can measure them really fast. I believe he's going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of about 16 inches. So, sweet, nice little 16-inch snook. There you go, buddy. Have a good day. Sweet, another snook. It's two for the boat. There we go. Number 3, baby snook. Sweet. Good boy, snook number 4. Funny the way I ended up catching that one too. Wish I had it on film, but I don't. Boat flip. Okay. Come on. There we go. It's another probably 16-inch snook right there, maybe. That's pretty. Man, these are fun to catch. That's number 4 for the day, baby. Heck yeah. Number 4 for the day. Alright, our first fish over here at the train bridge is not very big. It is the itty bittiest, tiniest little snapper, mangrove snapper. I mean, little mangrove. Oh, ouch, little turkey. Tiny little mangrove snapper. Not really getting many big hits over here, which concerns me. So we're gonna have to play this by ear. Give it some time, chum the water a little bit and see if that helps. If it doesn't, then we'll move to the other bridge and try that out. And if that doesn't work out, then we will probably call it a day. We did have some fun today. We caught snook, which is always a pleasant experience. And yeah, that'll be it for the day. Got one. Snook. Yeah. I don't know. Hold on a second. Here we go. Another little snook. All right, everybody. That was a absolutely amazing, epic day of fishing. That is the most fun I think I have ever had on my kayak. We accomplished some cool things on that today. Actually finally catching something on a lure while lure fishing on that kayak was amazing. Caught our first snook on the kayak, and we ended up catching 6 of them. I just can't believe it. That's the most amount of snook I've ever caught in one fishing trip. I just had a blast. I can't even express to you how much fun I had. I needed that. I really did. I've been really down in the dumps, not fishing much, and that really kind of got me really wanting to fish again. So yeah, I'm glad you guys got to come with me and see that. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you guys back on the water. Take care. Hello everyone. If you could, I'd love for you guys to check out my father-in-law's YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that I also edit videos for called Bearded Lumber. They are a full-service sawmill and kiln channel, and they are an amazing channel. I hope you guys will check them out. The link is in the description of this video, so check them out. You'll really enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching Third Beard Fishing. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion, and feel free to subscribe here. Thank you.